Good morning, children. Welcome back and welcome to class 4. Okay, I'm going to take science in your class. Okay, and my name is Miss Vidya Rai. Okay, my number is there in the class group, so please save it. Any doubts, please ask me. Okay, now this is your science book. I know many of you have not got the books, so please do not worry about it. Okay, so what I'll do is before I start a new chapter, I will take pictures of the chapter and I will send it to you. This is till the time you don't get your books. Okay, so normally before I start a chapter, I will always focus on the difficult and important words. Then we will also do reading, even though it's science and not English. Your reading is also very important. Spellings is very important because you'll have all new and difficult words. Okay, so I will show you how to do spellings also. Okay, for that I want you to make one lab copy for science. Okay, one lab copy for science. Okay, I will not start teaching you right away, but I will give you a small and simple homework. Okay, now the first chapter, I'll just give you a hint. Okay, is regarding food that we eat. So I'm sure all of us, we eat food, right? I think in class 3 also science we studied in the first chapter that we are living beings, so we need to eat food. Why do we need to eat food? Right, we need to eat food to walk, to play, to grow, otherwise we'll not survive. Right, so now you have different meals in a day, right? You have breakfast in the morning, then 10 o'clock you have your snacks, right? Then again you have lunch at 12, then again you have 3 o'clock, you will have something light, snacks, right? Again you'll have dinner in the night. So you have 5 meals. Okay, so it is very important for you to have 5 meals at regular interval. It does not mean that you'll eat 1 meal in the morning and then 1 meal in the night. So I want you to do, you can do this in your rough copy also. Okay, you can do this in the rough copy. Just write for breakfast, what did you eat for breakfast? So just write breakfast. Breakfast, what did you eat? Like bread, butter, egg, all that. Okay, then you'll have 10 o'clock snacks. When you were coming to school, you would have break time also, right? So what did you eat during the break time? Then again lunch time. Then after you went home from school, right? Your mothers or your aunties would give you something to eat. Please write that. And also dinner. Okay, and do you think water is important for you? Yes, water is very important. You should have sufficient amount of water. That also we will study. Okay, and then please try to avoid junk food. Okay, so as I told you, I'll do spellings, I'll do reading before I start a new chapter, right? So reading now, it's a little bit difficult because we are not meeting each other physically. So you can do one thing, you take my number from the class group, okay, and you can send me an audio or a video recording of you reading. You don't have to read the whole chapter at one go, maybe just 1 or 2 paragraphs, that ways, and please mention your names also. Okay, that ways I will know whether you are reading it correctly or not. Okay, I'll stop here for now. So if you have any doubts, my name is Miss Vidya Rai. Okay, my number is there in the class group, and this is your science book. Okay, you need to make one science lab copy, okay, for your science. And then if you have any doubts, please ask me. Okay, thank you, have a nice day and stay safe.